Is it time to buy or sell Odyssey Marine Exploration stock? In this video, we will explore Odyssey Marine Exploration in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You will not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 22nd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Odyssey Marine Exploration as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.5. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 86.66% since we first listed Odyssey Marine Exploration as a buy candidate 3 days ago. This translates to an average return of 28.89% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of negative 8.12% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 69.63% to negative 8.12%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 92.69%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 96.2% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $0.0324. Our latest daily update for Odyssey Marine Exploration features the headline, Significant Fluctuations in Odyssey Marine Exploration Stock Price on Thursday, moving 171.96% between high and low. The stock price of Odyssey Marine Exploration experienced a gain of 100.07% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025, rising from 0.426 to 0.85. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated 171.96%, with a low of 0.416 and a high of 1.13. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, and is up by 160.34% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with a total of 261 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 263 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $223.97 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $5.57, while the lowest price was $0.280. Currently, the price stands at 84.70% or $4.72, below the 52-week high, and 93.80% or $12.90 below the all-time high reached on the 22nd of March, 2018, when the price hit $13.75. Odyssey Marine Exploration, known as OMEX, has recently shared its financial results for the year 2024. This report highlights the company's dedication to fostering a diversified portfolio in critical mineral resources. By concentrating on sustainable exploration, OMEX positions itself favorably within a growing market that values environmentally friendly practices, which may enhance investor confidence in the near term. Alongside the financial results, OMEX announced the appointment of Larissa Pomeroy to its board of directors. Her extensive expertise in corporate strategy is anticipated to influence the company's long-term vision, particularly regarding sustainable sourcing. This could attract additional institutional investors and bolster stock stability as the company progresses. Moreover, OMEX is advancing its strategic fertilizer project through a joint venture with Capital Latinoamericano, with the goal of developing high-quality phosphate resources. This initiative presents opportunities for revenue growth and could strengthen OMEX's market position, potentially leading to positive impacts on the stock price, both in the short and long term. Recent favorable outcomes in litigation, including a victory in a North American Free Trade Agreement arbitration case, have provided a boost to morale and may alleviate some investor concerns regarding regulatory challenges. With a continuous focus on compliance and financial audits, OMEX is working towards reinstating its standing on NASDAQ, which could further enhance its stock performance if successful. In summary, these developments indicate a cautiously optimistic outlook for OMEX, suggesting potential for short-term gains and long-term stability as the company navigates its growth in the ocean exploration sector. Analysts have assigned Odyssey Marine Exploration stock a general sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy, while the price-to-book value is marked as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Odyssey Marine Exploration. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The stock of Odyssey Marine Exploration is receiving buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal due to the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support can be expected at levels of 0.546 and 0.423. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on the 7th of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 187.39%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 154 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 50 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Odyssey Marine Exploration. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 0.687. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at 0 could lead to a significant decline in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement during the day, reflecting high volatility. And with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 0.715 between its high and low, translating to 171.96%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 57.47%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Odyssey Marine Exploration, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This essential measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 19th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Odyssey Marine Exploration. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, it may be wise to enter a position and use volume as an indicator for when to exit. On the downside, Odyssey Marine Exploration encounters its first support level at 0.687. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Odyssey Marine Exploration from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of April, 2025, Todd E. Siegel conducted an insider buy of 28,083 shares of common stock. On the same day, Larissa Tiffany Pomeroud conducted an insider buy of 8,321 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 27th of March, 2025, Larissa Tiffany Pomeroud made an insider purchase of 7,500 shares of stock options. On the 1st of March, 2025, Larissa Tiffany Pomeroud conducted an insider buy of no shares of common stock. On the 24th of December, 2024, Mark B. Just executed an insider buy of 244,653 shares of the right to purchase. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 90.906. In total, insiders purchased 4,110,916 shares and sold 921,591 shares in these 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $0.82, reflecting a decrease of 3.62%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which results in a significant level of risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is Odyssey Marine Exploration stock a good buy? Odyssey Marine Exploration presents several positive signals. Despite the stock currently being in a downward trend, we believe it is a favorable option at this time. Our expectations are that Odyssey Marine Exploration stock will perform quite well over the next 3 months. As a result of our analysis, we have upgraded our recommendation for this stock from hold or accumulate to strong buy. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, April 25th, we anticipate Odyssey Marine Exploration will open lower by approximately 5 cents, beginning trading at around 80 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.